He's ready for the hunt. We try a mid-morning hunt here, late season mallards. Hopefully mallards. Hopefully ducks. Not much ice today. Soft ice. Somebody already busted through here. Thanks handling the motorized duties. Matt Doe.